Mastering seduction, how to make someone desperately want you. Seduction is an art form that can be mastered with the right knowledge and techniques. It is about creating a strong connection with someone, making them feel special and desired. It is a powerful tool that can be used to win someone's heart and make them want you desperately. It is important to understand that seduction is not about manipulating someone or taking advantage of them. It is about creating an emotional connection and making someone feel special and desired. It is about making someone feel like they are the only one who can make you happy. The first step in seduction is to be confident and self-assured. People are drawn to those who are confident and have a strong sense of self-worth. It is important to be comfortable in your own skin and to be confident in your own abilities. This will make you more attractive to the person you are trying to seduce. It is also important to be able to read the other person's body language. Pay attention to their gestures and expressions and use them to your advantage. This will help you understand what they are feeling and thinking and will allow you to tailor your approach accordingly. It is also important to be able to create a strong emotional connection with the other person. This can be done by engaging in meaningful conversations and taking an interest in their life. Showing genuine interest and care for the other person will make them feel special and desired. It is also important to be able to make the other person feel desired. This can be done by complimenting them, touching them in a gentle and respectful way, and showing them that you are interested in them. Doing these things will make the other person feel desired and will make them want you more. It is also important to be able to create an atmosphere of trust and intimacy. This can be done by being honest and open with the other person and by being vulnerable and sharing your feelings with them. This will create a strong bond between the two of you and will make them want you more. It is also important to be able to create a sense of anticipation. This can be done by teasing the other person, flirting with them, and being playful with them. This will make them excited and will make them want to be around you more. It is also important to be able to create a sense of desire. This can be done by dressing in a way that is attractive to the other person, by being mysterious and unpredictable, and by being passionate and romantic. This will make them desire you and will make them want you more. It is also important to be able to create a sense of mystery. This can be done by being mysterious and unpredictable, by being playful and flirtatious, and by being passionate and romantic. This will make the other person curious and will make them want to get to know you more. Seduction is an art form that can be mastered with the right knowledge and techniques. It is about creating a strong connection with someone, making them feel special and desired. It is a powerful tool that can be used to win someone's heart and make them want you desperately.